Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are learning Namaz for men. And in the last class, we read the Surah Fatiha with the proper way and with the rules of Tajweed. And now, inshallah, we are going to start after Surah Fatiha, which surah we read. Inshallah, in this class, I will tell you. Let us start now. And before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it for the latest videos. And if you like, so please click on the like button and comments and share with your friends. Now we are moving to our lesson. So we were reading about the Qiyam position, as in this standing position we were. So in the Qiyam, after the Surah Fatiha, then recite any surah or a minimum of 3 short ayats or 1 long ayah. First we read Surah Fatiha in standing position, like if we talk about from the beginning. So first we say Allahu Akbar, then Sana, then we say A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, then Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And after that Surah Fatiha we read, and after the Surah Fatiha we read any surah from the Quran, or any short surah, or if there is a short ayat, so minimum 3 ayats you have to read, or if you want to read 1 long ayat, so you can read as well. Otherwise there is no any limit to read, but you should read almost this. And there is a note: a surah is read following Surah Fatiha in all units of any sunnah and nafal salah. Like this surah is read like this, following surah after the Surah Fatiha. As I told in the last class, we read Surah Fatiha, and here we are reading Surah Ikhlas, and which can be read in any nafal or sunnah salah like namaz. It is only required in the first 2 units of any fard salah. Like the surah or any ayats only required after the Surah Fatiha in fard namaz in the first 2 units. In the first 2 units of fard namaz, you will read any short surah or the 3 ayats from Quran. Otherwise, in the 3rd and 4th units, only Surah Fatiha is recited. Right? In this is only in the fard namaz. And another note is, the surahs read after Surah Fatiha should be read in proper sequence as in the Quran, in ascending order, with the next surah smaller than the previous. Like the surah which you are going to read, you should read in sequence. Like after the Surah Fatiha, if you read any surah from Quran, any ayats, any long ayat, so first you have to read that, and then in the next unit, like in the next rakat, you have to read after that. After that means, for example, if you read Surah Falaq, like Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq in the first units of fard, and then you have to read the next surah in the next unit, like in the second rakat. And that you will say Qul A'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. And after that, in the 3rd unit or in the 4th unit, you will not read any surah after the Surah Fatiha. This will be only in fard namaz. Just keep in mind and try to read in ascending order as in the Quran. And now we are going to start Surah Ikhlas. And one more thing, keep in mind, like in this surah you can see another color which is in blue color. And in the first class, I think I told to you about the blue colors. If blue colors come, we make qalqala sound there. And there are 3 types of qalqala. First is weak kalkala, second is strong kalkala, and the third will be strongest kalkala. So where we make weak kalkala, where we make strong kalkala, and where we make strongest kalkala, you can watch my another video. I will put a link in the description, or you can watch on the right side of the top of this video in the eye icon. There is a link of kalkala video. Please watch there. And now we are going to start here. The first here is qaf with dhamma, which we connect with the lam. So the qaf will be bold as it is in green color. So we say qul, qul. The next ha has dhamma, hu. Wow, we connect with the name of Allah, wal. And look, the name, this is name of Allah is coming in the green color. Why? Because Allah, if Allah name comes after fatha or dhamma, like after zabar or pesh, we read the name of Allah in heavy sound also. That's why we are reading wal, like in heavy sound. And then lam, Allah name has a standing fatha, we long here, hu wallah. And in the end, hu has dhamma, hu wallahu. And please remember, make sure to read the correct sound of the letters. The first here is ha, so you have to read ha like hu. You cannot say wallah. Or similarly, in the end, there is also hu. Try to read ha sound, because sometimes the people say kul. They say hu wallahu. This is mistake, right? Keep in mind. Huwallahu. You have to read after me. Huwallahu. And the next Hamza fatha. Hamza has a fatha a. Ha has again fatha ha. Aha. We do not long here. Aha. And there is double dhamma on the dal. And after that you can see there is a stop sign. So if stop sign comes and in the last letter you find double dhamma or double kasra, you need to skip both, like both dhammas, both kasras. This is only in double dhamma or in double kasra. Like if the last letter has double dhamma or double kasra on the stop place, you need to skip both. And what we do then, we put a sukoon sign on that letter after skipping that dhammas or kasras. And how to say? We say ahad, ahad. And here will be strong kalkala, not weak or not strongest. Okay, like middle. Ahad, ahad. So we say all together. And kalkala what is? Ahad, d. So this d sound is kalkala sound. Qul huwallahu ahad. Qul huwallahu ahad. Repeat after me. Qul huwallahu ahad. The next is Allahus. Allah name is coming. We read in heavy sound. We long also. How you connect with the sword? Allahus. Sword will be bold. Saw, we do not long. Saw. Meme we connect with the dal. Again here is strong kalkala. Samad. Samad. Allahus Samad. In the sword, you also make this safir quality like whistling sound and also hums. Allahus Hussa. Hussa. Allahus Samad. Samad. Allahus Samad. The next, lam we connect with the meme. Lam. Ya. Ya has only fatha. We do not long here. Sometimes the people long here. Yalid. They say yalid. That is wrong. Only there is a fatha. So we say ya. Finish. We do not long. Lam has kasra which we connect with the dal. Lam yalid. Here is a weak qalqala. Alright. So we say lam yalid. Lid. Because we are continuing. That's why here is a weak qalqala. And the next is wa lam. Waw has only fatha. Wa lam we similarly connect lam. Wa lam. And here ya we are connecting with the waw because waw is waw madda here. If waw comes with sukoon sign on it and you find dhamma sign on the before the waw, then you will make long sound there. So we say you. Okay, this is waw madda. That's why we are longing. Yulad. Lam connect with the dal again. So we say all together. Walam yulad. If we stop, so it will be strong qalqala. So we all say together. Lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Carefully listen and remember and try yourself. Lam yalid. Okay, yalid. Don't say yalid. Lam yalid. Lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid walam. Still we are making qalqala. Lam yalid. Right? Lam yalid walam yulad. And the next here again waw has fatha wa, lam we connect with the meme, walam, ya has fatha again, ya, and now kaf we connect here with the lam because noon is a silent here. There is a one rule which is called idgham without gunna. Like if noon sakin comes, like if noon comes with the sukoon sign on it, and after that the next letter if lam, which is the Yarmaloon letter, like the lam, which is one of the Yarmaloon letter. That's why on this place, if after the noon sakin lam comes, we do not make a gunna sound, but we make idgham, which is called without gunna. That's why kaf we connect directly with the lam. But why do not say this noon? Because noon and lam almost close makharij, the articulation points of these two letters are closed. That's why we cannot say both letters together. This is a reason to skipping of noon, and directly we are connecting kaf with the lam, yakul, for reading easily. If we read noon with the lam together, then we cannot say easily. Okay, then it will be hard. So we do not read hard in the Quran recitation. We make easy. Right? So then we say yakul. Kaf we connect kul, and then la hu. How we long here? 1 second. There is a standing dhamma or inward dhamma. Walam yakul lahu. Walam yakul lahu. Okay. Kaf has dhamma, kufa, again dhamma, fu, kufu. We are not longing, we are connecting immediately. Kufu. Waw we connect one with double fatha. Kufu one. Kufu one. A, hamza has fatha a, ha has fatha ha. Aha. And similarly we connect. If we stop here, we will skip both dhammas and we put a sukoon sign on here. So we say ahad. And it will be strong kalkala again. Ahad. Kufu one. Ahad. Here we do not make any nasal sound. Only we make izhar. After the tanween, the next letter is hamza, which is here. You can see alif has fatha. This is called hamza. That's why we are making izhar. Like we are making the clear sound of noon. We are not making gunna. Like kufu one ahad. One ahad is wrong. You have to say kufu one ahad. Kufu one, only clear the sound of noon, and then say ahad. Now we all say together. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Remember, walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Now we repeat all together. So listen me first and then try yourself. I read all. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Now I read complete this surah myself. You listen please. Very carefully listen. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah or anything else, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.